Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. It's always great to have you here. If you're searching for a new smartwatch this year, you've clicked on the right video. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the top 5 smartwatches you should consider for 2026. Whether your priority is health tracking, battery endurance, premium design, or seamless ecosystem integration, I've got you covered. And here's the best part. This isn't just a dry spec sheet rundown. I've spent weeks with each of these watches, testing them in real-world situations, from workouts and sleep tracking to daily notifications and battery performance. So you'll get insights that really matter in day-to-day use. Quick note before we begin, all links and updated pricing are in the description, so check those out if you want to compare or pick up one of these models yourself. All right, let's not waste time. Let's get straight into the countdown. Number 5. The Xiaomi Watch 2 Pro, the value champion. Starting off at number 5, we have the Xiaomi Watch 2 Pro. And this one deserves to be called the value champion. Xiaomi has built a reputation for packing premium features into devices that don't break the bank, and the Watch 2 Pro is a perfect example. Right out of the box, it feels more expensive than it actually is. The aluminum frame has a premium touch, and the rotating crown gives a tactile feedback that's satisfying every single time. The AMO LED display is crisp and bright, reaching over 1,000 nits, which means no problem using it outdoors under direct sunlight. And yes, it has an always-on mode, which looks gorgeous. But the real strength here is health and fitness tracking. Sleep tracking isn't just about hours. It actually breaks down sleep stages in detail. The stress monitor is surprisingly helpful, picking up on subtle tension spikes throughout the day. Blood oxygen readings are consistent and reliable, only a percent or two off compared to medical-grade tools. On top of that, you get over 150 workout modes, fast and accurate GPS that locks on even in dense urban areas, and NFC for contactless payments. And then comes the battery life. With moderate use, you can expect 2 full weeks. And even heavy GPS and always-on display usage still gives you close to 10 days. For anyone who wants flagship-level features without the flagship price tag, the Xiaomi Watch 2 Pro is a brilliant choice. Next up, at number 4, is the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. Samsung has really stepped up their game here, positioning the Ultra as a luxury, rugged, and performance-oriented smartwatch. The build alone screams premium. A titanium case combined with sapphire glass makes this watch resistant to scratches and accidental bumps. I actually tested it against coins and keys, and it came out flawless. Now, the real star here is Samsung's Bioactive Sensor 4.0. The ECG readings are incredibly precise, almost indistinguishable from medical-grade equipment. Blood pressure monitoring is continuous, and in select regions, Samsung even introduced non-invasive glucose tracking. That's a potential game changer for millions of people. Connectivity is rock solid. LTE means you can leave your phone behind, make calls, and stream music directly from the watch. Gesture controls, like answering a call with a wrist movement, are surprisingly useful when you're working out or cooking. Battery life is solid too. 4 days with heavy usage, and if you tone things down, you can easily push to 5 or 6 days. And if you're already inside the Samsung ecosystem, pairing it with Galaxy phones, tablets, and earbuds feels seamless. For those who want the premium Android flagship experience, the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra delivers. In third place, we have the Google Pixel Watch 3. This watch represents Google finally nailing the perfect balance between hardware and software. The design is sleek, with a ceramic and titanium body, and the magnetic strap system makes switching styles effortless. But what makes this watch truly shine is the software integration. Running the latest Wear OS, the Pixel Watch 3 delivers the most natural Google experience on your wrist. Google Assistant is smarter than ever. It understands context, so when you ask for your schedule or reminders, it gives answers tailored to your day. Gmail, Calendar, and Maps all work seamlessly, making it almost feel like a mini extension of your phone. But the standout is the AI Health Assistant. Unlike most smartwatches that just collect data, this one interprets it. If your sleep patterns are off, it suggests realistic, actionable steps based on your actual behavior. Combine that with Fitbit integration, and you get a deep dive into health metrics: steps, stress, sleep, heart rate, and more. Battery life averages 3 to 4 days, which is very respectable given all the features, and fast charging means you can top up enough for a day's use in under 30 minutes. For Android users, especially those with Pixel phones, the Google Pixel Watch 3 is the smartest AI-driven smartwatch on the market. Coming in at number 2 is the Apple Watch Series 10. Apple took a bold step with this redesign. The micro LED display nearly eliminates bezels, making it the most futuristic-looking Apple Watch yet. It's brighter, more efficient, and stunning to look at. The new Health Core chip enables ultra-precise tracking. In my testing, it matched the accuracy of professional chest straps during workouts. Apple also introduced non-invasive glucose tracking and advanced sleep respiratory analysis that can even help detect conditions like sleep apnea. But what blew me away were the AI-generated health plans. Instead of just telling you to stand up or drink water, the watch now creates a detailed weekly plan that combines sleep, activity, nutrition, and even environmental data to give you actionable wellness advice. Gestures feel magical. You can answer a call with a pinch or change songs with a wrist flick. After a day of use, it becomes second nature. And yes, battery life has finally improved. The Watch Series 10 averages 2 full days and up to 4 days with smart AI power management. For iPhone users, this isn't just a smartwatch. It's practically a seamless extension of your Apple ecosystem, connecting effortlessly with AirPods, Macs, and iPhones. If you're already an Apple user, this watch is nearly impossible to beat. And finally, at number 1, we have the Apple Watch Ultra 2. If the Series 10 is sleek and futuristic, the Ultra 2 is rugged, bold, and built for extremes. Crafted from titanium and sapphire, it's designed for adventurers, athletes, and anyone who needs a watch that can handle everything. The precision dual-frequency GPS is insanely accurate, even in dense cities or forests. Health tracking here is at the absolute peak. From ECG and blood oxygen to advanced heart rate monitoring, everything is precise. And safety features like fall detection, SOS emergency calls, and even dive tracking make it feel like a genuine survival tool. The display is massive, ultra bright, and readable even under harsh sunlight. And then comes the battery. With normal usage, you'll get 36 hours, and with low power mode, up to 72 hours. In my experience, this watch isn't just about health or notifications, it's about pushing boundaries. It's the smartwatch equivalent of a professional-grade tool, and nothing else quite matches its durability and reliability. So, for the ultimate technology pioneer, the Apple Watch Ultra 2 takes the crown. All right, let's quickly recap our top 5 smartwatches for 2026. At number 5, the Xiaomi Watch 2 Pro. Outstanding value. At number 4, the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, the premium flagship. At number 3, the Google Pixel Watch 3, the AI integration master. At number 2, the Apple Watch Series 10, the ultimate Apple ecosystem experience. And at number 1, the Apple Watch Ultra 2, the technology pioneer. So, now I want to hear from you. Which of these watches speaks to you the most? Would you switch ecosystems for better hardware, or are you sticking with your brand loyalty? Drop your thoughts and experiences down in the comments. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit that like button. It really supports the channel. And if you haven't already, subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss our next deep dive review. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.